So today we're going to learn how to take a singular noun that ends in a consonant plus Y and make it plural. So singular means one and plural means more than one, okay? And you know what a noun is. That's a person, place, or thing. Okay, so the rule is here, when you have a word that ends in a consonant plus a Y, you remove the Y and add an IES.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? So we're going to go over some examples. So this first word here, Hannah, is
baby.
Baby. So baby, the last letter that's a consonant in this word is B. Okay? Followed by the Y. So if we repeat our rule is if we have a word that ends in a consonant plus a Y, we remove the Y, add an I, E, and an S. So we have babies. Okay, so let's try this on the next word. So we have the word tray. Tray. This letter right here is not a consonant. This letter is a vowel. Very good. So, and our vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Very good. So with tray, let's repeat our rule again. When you have a word that ends in a consonant plus a Y, you remove the Y, add an IES. So if this isn't a consonant and it's a vowel, then that rule is not going to apply to this word, right? Okay, so we can't do that with tray. So let's try it on this word, family. So we have the word family. The last consonant in the word family is the consonant L, or the letter L, and then we have the Y. So with this one, our rule applies, doesn't it? Because it's a consonant. So we remove the Y and add a
IES.
Very good. And that spells?
Families.
Families. Very good. Let's look at a couple more examples. So here we have the word boy. You know that word.
Yeah.
So if we have the word boy, and this is
an O.
An O, and an O is not a consonant. It's a vowel. What do we do here? Can we take that I off and add an IES if this is a vowel?
No.
No. So this word does not apply to our rule. So let's try this one. Puppy. 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 So this is the first consonant in our word, P, with a Y. So what can we do with this one?
We could do puppies.
Puppies, P-U-P-P. We take off the Y and add an I-E-S. Puppies. Okay, here we have the word monkey. Kind of what I call you a lot, my little monkey. Okay, so here we have the word monkey. So this is the last letter before our Y, which is a
E.
And that's not a consonant, it's
a vowel.
A vowel. So what can we do here?
We could do monkeys.
Monkeys, differently than the IES, that is correct. We would add an S to it. But this word would not apply to the IES rule, would it? No. So we have to X that one out. Okay. So now we're going to do a little more examples, and you're going to help me a little bit more with these ones, okay? So read this word with me. Turkey. Turkey. Say it.
Turkey.
Turkey. Okay, so now think about this and think about our rule. And so if we do turkey, what can you tell me about this word right here? What's this letter?
E.
Okay, is this a consonant?
No.
No, it's a vowel. So would our rule apply to this word?
Yes.
If it's a vowel?
No.
No. So turkey does not work. Okay, so we have the word lady. What can you tell me about this word? Say this word with me.
Lady.
Very good. So what can you tell me about this word? Think about our rule.
Has a D.
And a D is not a vowel. What is it?
It's a
consonant.
Consonant.
So what do we do here?
We take away our Y and put the IES.
Good job, Hannah. Good job. All right. So what about this word here? Copy. And this one says what?
Lady.
Ladies. Because we removed our Y and we added an I, E, and an S. So now we have the word
Copy.
copy. So let's see here. What's this letter?
A P.
Okay. And is a P a vowel or a
No.
consonant? Very good. It's a consonant, isn't it? So thinking about our rule, would our rule apply to the word copy?
No.
It's a consonant. Are you sure? Think about our rule. Let's repeat our rule. Our rule says when you have a word that ends in a consonant plus a Y, you remove the Y and add an IES. So the word copy ends in P. That's our last consonant in the word plus Y. So this would, our rule would apply. So what should we do?
We can do copies.
Very good. So we take off the Y and add a IES. And what's that spell?
Copy.
Copies. Okay? So let's try one more.
Joy.
Joy. Very good. So we have the word joy. And what's this letter right here?
An O.
An O. And is an O a vowel or
No.
a consonant?
No.
It's a A-E-I-O-U is our vowels. So O would be a
Vowel.
vowel. Very good. So if we have a vowel next to our Y, does our rule apply?
Yes. No.
Let's see. So let's repeat our rule again. Okay. If you have a consonant plus a Y at the end of your word, then you take your Y and add an I off and add an IES. If you have a vowel is not a consonant, right? So would this word apply?
No.
No. All right. Good job with those. Okay. So here we got a few more words, and these are a little bit more tough, but I know you can do it. Okay, so you want to read this one with me? This is the name of one of your favorite dogs.
Daisy.
Very good. Daisy. Okay, so we have the word daisy. Now take a look at this word. Now, do you think this word, we should take this Y off and add an IES?
No.
You don't think we should? Why don't you think we should? Think about the rule.
Oh. Yes.
Why do you think we should do it?
Because
What's this letter right here?
S.
And it's a what?
A vowel.
No?
No.
You have it.
Consonant.
Consonant. Very good, Hannah. Okay, so Daisy, S is a consonant. Okay, followed by a plus Y. So what's our rule again? If you have a word, okay, that ends in a consonant plus a Y, you take off the Y and add a
IES.
Very good. So what should we do with this word? Should we take this Y off and add an IES?
Yes.
Okay. D-A-I-S, take off the Y, add I-E-S. And that gives us
Daisies.
daisies.
And if you just have daisies, it means that there's only one daisy. And yeah, daisies, there's like a whole bunch of daisies.
That's right. One singular, daisy, and the other one's plural, meaning more than one. Right. And we just made daisy more than one by adding the IES and making it what? Plural. Right? All right. So this word is what, Hannah?
Penny.
Penny. Very good. So what letter is this?
Penny. Oh, an N.
An N. So what do you think we should do with this word?
Then IES.
Why?
Because it would make more pennies, because you have a whole bunch of more than one.
That's right. But what's this letter right here?
An N.
Think about our rule. It's not a vowel. It's a consonant. Okay. So if it's a consonant plus a Y, then our rule applies to that word, right? So this word, we would do what? What would we do with this Y?
Cross it out.
Okay. And add?
P-E-N-N-Y. I-E-S.
For?
Pennies.
Good job. Let's try another one. How about, let's say this word with me.
Berry.
Okay. So what letter is this?
An R.
And it's a?
Continent.
Consonant, right. Okay, so if this is a consonant, then does our rule apply?
No. Yes.
It's kind of confusing, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, what's our rule?
If you have one word.
If you have a word that ends in a consonant plus a Y, you
will use it.
Take off the
Y
and
add I-E-S.
Very good. Let's try that again. So if you have a word with a consonant plus
and Y,
you
would take off the Y and use I-E-S.
Very good, Hannah. So what would we do with this word? What do you think?
We would spell berries.
Okay, so what would we do with the Y?
We would cross it out.
Okay, and then what would we do?
We would spell B-E-R-R.
B-E-R-R.
I-E-S.
S. And that spells?
Berries.
Berries. Good job, Hannah. Did a really good job. Now, should we review a little bit? Let's just review our rule. Okay? So let's say it together. If you have a word that ends in a consonant plus a
Y,
you take off
the Y
and add
I-E-S.
Okay, so if it's a vowel before the Y, can we add the I-E-S?
No.
No, because it doesn't fit with our rule, does it?
Mm-hmm.
It has to be a consonant, right?
Yeah.
All right. Good job, Hannah. Thanks for all your help.
You're welcome.
Okay, bye. Say bye.
Bye.